Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Box and automate approvals using AI workflows step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Box website. Log into your Box account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the file or folder you want to download. Click on the file or folder to select it. On the right side of the screen, you will see a menu with several options. Click on the download option from the menu. The selected file or folder will begin downloading to your computer. Next, navigate to the home page of your Box account. Now, to automate approvals, click on the Apps section in the left sidebar. In the Apps section, look for the Automations option and select it. Here, you will find options to create new workflows. Click on the Create Workflow button. Select Approval Workflow from the available workflow options. Name your approval workflow for easy identification. Set the criteria for the approval process, such as who needs to approve. Add the specific files or folders that the approval pertains to. Next, define the notification settings for the approvers. Decide how and when they will be notified about pending approvals. Once all settings are complete, review your workflow to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, click the Save button to finalize your approval workflow. Your automated approval process is now set up and will operate as per the defined parameters. To monitor approvals, return to the Automations section. Here, you can track the status of pending and completed approvals. Adjust any settings if needed, based on the workflow's performance. Remember to regularly check back for updates or any necessary changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.